I lost cable reception due to Hurricane Ida. Then I remembered I had a high definition digital TV antenna, and we're going to hook it up and see what kind of reception we get. Okay, this is the antenna portion. It does pick up inside the house, but I'm going to go ahead and put it here on top of the window. Okay, we're just going to connect the antenna onto the cable connection on the back of the TV. There's one other cable to hook up. It's a USB cable, which can be plugged into the wall with an adapter that comes in the package, or connected to any other USB port on the TV. You can see it's a very clear, high quality picture. So the antenna worked very well, and I was able to get a number of national channels and was able to keep up with news and watching television without my cable hook connected. So it's a good alternative if you get caught in a storm and need some way to connect back to the world.